Hello guys, we're just sitting in the car. It's pouring out. Emmett do not want to stay home. He keeps insisting on going outside. We came out, walked around in the rain a little bit, and then he goes row house. He wants to go to row house. Don't know if we're actually going because I didn't mention it to Jason. He's taking a smash right now. But we're just gonna chill out in the car and see if his dad come out. If not, then we'll just sit in the car. Because I don't drive in the rain. I don't even go out in the rain. Yeah, it is like 5 o'clock. We did nothing all morning. I watched Insidious 3, Underworld. Don't know what part I watched. And that alien movie, Life. That's what I did this morning. Nyla and Jason went out to go grocery shopping together. All they did was buy junk, of course. You send those two out, they just come back with junk. All I saw was cup noodles and seaweed. In a case of Thai tea that was probably like 40 bucks, 50 bucks or something. But yeah, we are just gonna sit out here and maybe he'll fall asleep. I don't know, it's nap time. If he falls asleep, then we'll just chill out in the car. It's nice listening to the rain without the dogs barking. I think that's pretty nice. Yeah, I need chapstick. Look at her persimmons. They're so big. Look at them. Oh, can't wait to eat it. Thank you for feeding the turtle.
Come on, there. There. Oh, one more. No, there. There you are. Very good. Want to eat rice?
You want spaghetti?
No.
What
You
do
want hot dogs?
What?
You want milk?
What? Sam's house.
Whose house?
What's that? Daddy's
What's Daddy doing?
What's Daddy doing?
Dyson.
Daddy's stuff. How much?
That's Jason?
No. That's Daddy's.
What's the
That's
score?
Jason?
33. It's 27. No, 1926.
1926. Ah, 19.
Oh, it's 33-19.
No, it's 26-19.
Oh, okay. They need a touchdown, a field goal.
Right, but Cowboys on your 30.
Cowboy is the winner, right?
They're
Last
tied.
year.
They're tied. 3-3.
Look. Bird. Hey. Bird.
How do you take mine?
He's trying to show you, okay? It's a bird, okay?
Bird.
See? Pay attention to him.
Sheep.
Pete.
Bird.
Bird.
I'm home. Been home for a while now. I've just been cleaning. My room smells like weed, like marijuana. Somebody smoked in here, and it's not me. I haven't. I wish I did, but no. Anyways, what have I been doing? I've been cleaning. I've been cleaning and organized downstairs a little bit and move some stuff around. I just trying to organize Emmett area, little play area. So that's done with. And I got some laundry to put away. These are all clean clothes. Here and in the bedroom. I think most of them is Jason's clothes though. But yeah. I gotta find something to eat real quick. I am starving. And I'm charging my phone, so I'm not gonna block that. Oh, I got a crack on my screen. Right at the camera. Anyways, I'm gonna charge you guys, and then we're gonna go find something to eat, and then I'll be right back. Okay? Just like that, I'm done. I just had eggs and rice. My desk is so dirty. I did my sister's makeup yesterday. I think I vlogged it. But yeah, I didn't clean up. There's dry blood everywhere. There's dry blood all over the floor. And I don't feel like cleaning, so I'm just gonna go to bed. Before I go to bed, I got some clothes to fold. Clothes is done, put away. I look so swollen. Don't know what's going on. Yeah, I do know it's stress. Just like that, the weekend's over. We didn't participate in any Halloween activities. Had so much planned. I had so much to do. And then shit happens. And I let people ruin my day. A person ruin my day, my plans. What is life? I've become such a dependent that I can't do nothing if we're not on the same track. And by me and by we, I hope you know it's me and him. Anyways, I'm gonna talk about this tomorrow. This vlog is very short. I do apologize. It was just one of them days. Been having a lot of them days lately. But yeah, I'll talk about this stuff tomorrow. Yeah. I'm gonna write down some notes and all that stuff. It's not that serious now. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.